Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can not show or block the title of a video clip you play in the VLC Media Player. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you're on VLC Media Player, you probably know that in most cases whenever you open a new video file, there is that video title displayed at the bottom or at the top, and you can disable this. Let me show you how. If you don't want to see that title anymore, you want to do is the following: click into Tools at the top, navigate to Preferences here, or use the shortcut Ctrl+P, then navigate to all settings here at the bottom, and then here on the left hand side, guys, what you want to do is navigate to Video, click into it, and here on the right side, guys, let me just expand that window a bit, scroll down to Show Video Title for X milliseconds. So what you want to do is click into that field and enter 0 milliseconds, which means the video title will be shown for 0 seconds or not at all in this case. And what you want to do is click into Save, and that should do it, guys, and fix it. Please let us know in the comments down below if it did for you. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.